What's up? What's up? What's up? It's your girl Tiny, aka Desi, and welcome to Tiny Glams. Today we're going to be creating a super cool candy cane eye makeup look inspired by Beats by Deb. Right now, I already have my Sephora collection concealer and my Ambivert eyebrow pencil, and as y'all can see, this is a clean base for our eyeshadows. You want to make sure that you're starting off with just a clean base with your concealers, and this is going to help our eyeshadow colors to pop. I set that concealer with my Kosas Powder in the shade Peachy. This is the Cloud Set. And then next, I'm going to be using the colors that are in my Top Beauty All You Need palette from Amazon. So I decided that I wanted to do a voiceover, and as y'all can see, I'm showing y'all the picture of Beats by Deb. So we went straight in with this red eyeshadow, and I decided to do like these lines. This is a concealer brush, and as y'all can see, I'm just curving it inwards towards the center of my face. So I did 3 lines on one eye, and then on the next eye, I'm going to be doing 3 lines going inwards also. And just make sure that you take your time with this part. I'm using the brightest red that is in that palette. You can get an individual red eyeshadow from Sephora collection or any red eyeshadow that you have in any palettes. Right here, I'm just defining the lines and kind of airbrushing them outwards. And then as y'all can see right here, it's kind of giving Spider-Man, but baby, trust the process. And then I'm curving it inwards, kind of like this. So basically, just create like a C going inwards. And next, I'm taking my Sephora collection concealer. I'm using one that's 2 shades lighter than my skin, and then another one that's 3 shades lighter. And then we're using this Shop Miss A makeup brush. I got this one from Shop Miss A stores. You can find them in any mall. And I'm just going to be blending that out. You're going to want to make sure that is completely blended. And as y'all can see, I kind of blended it in towards my nose just to make it a little bit more defined. I took a Real Techniques blending brush, foundation brush, and I went ahead and patted all of that in. And then we took our Kosas powder and we're just setting that concealer. And don't mind my voice, your girl is feeling a little bit stuffy. In Texas, the weather is so crazy. So I'm just like stopped up a little bit, y'all. But anyways, as y'all can see, I'm taking the red eyeshadow again on that same concealer brush. And we're gonna do it outwards this time. So inwards for the top of your eyes and then outwards at the bottom. And as y'all can see on this part, I'm just smoking out that red just to kind of brush it outwards, give that airbrush effect. I took a skinnier concealer brush and I'm just gonna be going towards the inner corners of my eyes and bringing that red eyeshadow downwards just to give it a little bit more of a swirl. Now I'm using this white eyeshadow from the same palette, and we're just going to add that in between the red areas. So just like a candy cane, we're just going to try to bring it all together. This white eyeshadow was not as pigmented, so y'all are going to see me go in with a white highlighter to add some more color. So right here, I'm adding some more of the red lines on the outside just to make it a little bit more swirled in. And then y'all are seeing me add some white on the other side. So here is when I put the highlighter just to add more color. And then it's kind of hard to see in the video, but it was giving very much shimmer. And now we're going to go in with these lashes. I got these from Amazon, and they are some really big fluffy lashes. You can always use like smaller lashes, but for this look, I mean, we're going dramatic. So your girl wanted to do something big and fluffy. Right here, I'm taking this concealer that is closer to my shade, and then also a brighter concealer for my nose, my upper lip, and my chin. And I'm taking that same concealer brush just to blend everything out. And then after that, I'm taking that same Kosas powder just to set it off. I always use my Juvia's palette for bronzer, but today your girl is going to be using that second shade, which is a little bit more of a reddish kind of burgundy bronzer. And we're putting that on my cheeks, forehead. I'm going to also put some down my nose and near my jawline. And right here, I'm taking some of my Makeup Revolution highlighter, the same one that we used for that white area of the candy cane. And we're going to put that on the tip of my nose, down the bridge of my nose, and my eyebrow. And now I'm taking my Dear Diary Ultra Blush Palette by Ambivert Cosmetics. If you don't know, your girl is obsessed with makeup, and I just graduated with a degree in business marketing. So this is a business that I created, and I designed this blush palette. If you are interested in supporting my business, you can go ahead and click the link in my bio. It's going to bring you to my social media page, and you can go ahead and sign up for our email list. This blush is extremely pigmented. It's kind of hard to see in a video because it's so bright, but as y'all can see, it's giving that deep rosy color. And now I'm taking my Ambivert lip liner and also my red buttercream. Right here, I'm adding my highlighter under my eyes, and then I'm going to add some mascara. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Exaggerize. This is a really fun look if you want to do a Christmas party or just like a Christmas photo shoot. And this is the end of my video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel, comment anything that you would like to see.